In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking, an essential tool to optimize your advertising efforts on Google Ads. This step-by-step guide will ensure that you are tracking your conversions accurately, enabling you to enhance the effectiveness of your advertisements. To begin, head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where the magic starts. If you haven't done so already, click on the Sign In button, taking you into your Google Ads account. It's crucial to log in to access all the features you'll need for setting up conversion tracking. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, familiarize yourself with the layout. It's important to be comfortable navigating the interface as it contains all the tools you'll need. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Goals. This is where we start taking deliberate steps towards setting up conversion tracking. Goals in Google Ads are essentially what you want your ads to accomplish, and tracking these achievements is crucial. After selecting goals, you'll want to click on Conversions. This section is the heart of conversion tracking. It provides you with options to track different types of actions that users take in response to your ads, whether it's website actions, app installs, or phone calls. Speaking of actions, let's move on to setting up a new conversion action. You'll notice a button labeled New Conversion Action. Go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you initiate the process of defining what a successful conversion looks like for your campaign. It's a critical step that tells Google Ads what to track. For today's focus, click on Phone Calls. This option allows you to track phone call conversions, which can be very beneficial if your business relies on calls to close sales or provide services. Implementing this effectively can significantly influence the success of your ads and make sure you're reaching your business objectives. Once you've selected phone calls, you'll be guided through a series of prompts that help define how you want the phone call conversions to be tracked. Pay close attention to the specific details required as they ensure accurate data collection. This includes determining the call duration that should count as a conversion and the value of these conversions to your business. By the time we've completed these steps, you'll have set up Google Ads conversion tracking, putting vital metrics at your fingertips. Always remember to monitor the results analytics provides and adjust your campaigns as needed to continually improve your ads effectiveness. Thank you for joining me today. With these steps, you're now equipped to harness Google Ads conversion tracking to drive better business outcomes. Keep optimizing and reviewing your strategies, and you'll see the benefits unfold in your advertising efforts.